Hi friends. I am Arya. Do you want to see what's inside my backpack? Let's go.
Pencil. This is a pencil. Can you say pencil? P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Eraser. This is an eraser. Can you say eraser? E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. Sharpener. This is a sharpener. Can you say sharpener? S-H-A-R-P-E-N-E-R, sharpener. Book. This is a book. Can you say book? B-O-O-K, book. Notebook. This is a notebook. Can you say notebook? N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K, notebook. Crayons. These are crayons. Can you say crayons? C-R-A-Y-O-N-S, crayons. Color pencils. These are color pencils. Can you say color pencils? C-O-L-O-R, color, P-E-N-C-I-L-S, pencils, color pencils. Glue stick. This is a glue stick. Can you say glue stick? G-L-U-E-S, glue, S-T-I-C-K, stick, glue stick. Ruler. This is a ruler. Can you say ruler? R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Lunchbox. This is a lunchbox. Can you say lunchbox? L-U-N-C-H-B-O-X, lunchbox. Water bottle. This is a water bottle. Can you say water bottle? W-A-T-E-R, water, B-O-T-T-L-E, bottle, water bottle.
Wow friends! We saw the things in my backpack. Do you remember what we saw? Now, open your backpack and say the things you see aloud. Don't forget to subscribe to Mama for more fun learning videos. See you next time. Bye.